Hi, my name is Kelly Houck, and I'm a Capital Administrative Associate with Kitsap Transit, and we received a Federal Transit Administration AIM grant. In 2016, Kitsap County passed Proposition 1, and that allowed us to move forward with a fast ferry program. We have 3 locations that we serve riders out of, and they make direct service to downtown Seattle. And our very first one started in July 2017 in our route from Bremerton to Seattle, passing through the Rich Passage. And basically, we also at the same time started investing in sustainable electric projects. The environment is very important to us. We started with a pilot program for an electric bus, and we expanded on that. We were able to get additional ones that then kind of brought forward, can we do this with our vessels? So around 2018, this concept kind of came to play, whether we could move forward with creating a vessel that could be all electric and expand our ferry system. Our goal out of this is really to create a replicable business model for other areas around the Puget Sound. They could expand on this, maybe other nationwide or even globally would be able to potentially use this replicable business model. We hope to use this as a foundation to start actually going into design and building a scaled model and then into construction in order to actually create the vessel. So this mobility project will allow us to develop or take this model and then actually create the design, the scaled model, and then the construction to actually test an all-electric fast foil ferry. This could potentially be the first in the world. There's a couple of other nations competing to get this type of foil ferry vessel done before us. We're hoping that we can move forward with this project and then use this as a model for other areas to purchase the vessel design and create a replicable fast foil ferry and create a mosquito fleet, the reimagined mosquito fleet. The AIM grant allowed experts from 2 naval architect disciplines, one from sailboats and other from commercial workboats, to come together to develop a game-changing vessel. We really appreciate the coordination effort that SUMC has supported through the monthly and quarterly meetings and being able to hear about other people's projects and what they have going on. I know with our project it was very unique compared to a lot of the other projects, so great experience, so thank you.